So how to maximize your earnings with affiliate marketing. As you can see here on my screen, I just had $1,000 a day, and then I had $500 a day, and I get $1,500 a day, and I stopped running traffic over here, and again started running traffic yesterday. So you can see in 2 days or $1,500. Now, the most important thing is how to generate those sales step by step as a beginner. So in this video, you're going to get the tutorial, let's say ultimate guide on how to do it as a beginner if you really want to have a system that's paying out commissions, not only theory, but in practice, in action, right? So that you can use that money to do whatever you want, right? To scale up the business or to build your own marketing budget and have some kind of time freedom. But you don't have to worry every single day, is my YouTube ads or Google ads going to get shut down, or will my Facebook ads getting shut down tomorrow with ClickBank low ticket offers. So in this case, I'm going to show exactly how to do it. So okay, over here you can see the system, and here you can see, right, you're getting the emails, updates every single day, how much you have earned. Now, okay, great. So how to get these sales? Let's go straight into it. So if you're a beginner watching this video, stay until the end of this video because I'm going to reveal to you exactly how to do it. The first thing, right, we need is traffic. Once we have the product, the system that's paying $500 to $2,000 per day commissions, what we need next is traffic, right? So how to get traffic? We have free traffic and paid traffic. Now, I would suggest to start with Google Ads. I'm always talking about Google Ads because Google is #1 platform. With Google, you can find quality buyers, not only prospects, right? People who search for information, but people who have buyer's intent behind it, right? They want to buy courses, they want to buy programs, they want to buy weight loss pills, right? So that's why we're using Google Ads. Now, first of all, you need to generate leads. You need to have lead generation system, right? The name of the game is lead generation, so you can generate leads and convert them into the sales. So how to do this? Using Google Ads. Google pay-per-click, right? So we target people by keywords. Very important, right? You don't need to have some magic system, magic pill. You just need to do 10 to 15 minutes of research to understand your niche. Your niche, right? So let's say we have a niche, okay? Let's say our niche is weight loss. Okay, so who is that niche? Let's say females, 35 years and above, right? 35 to 65 years, living in, let's say, Canada. Great, now we have the market on the surface, right? Now we have to know a little bit more if you want to have great results, right? For example, even if you promote make money online, Bitcoin, I don't know, financial offers, car insurance, right? You need to understand a little bit about your niche, your audience, to know how to promote to them correctly. Now, I'm showing this to my students all the time, how to do it correctly, right? So, for example, you have to have some kind of small mini website, right? Call it pre-sale page. Now, lots of affiliates make the big mistake, which is they sell the product on the pre-sale page. When in the fact, gurus are not sharing this with you. They're not telling you the real secret, which is 5 points of pre-selling. You have to pre-sell 5 points if you want to get great results with affiliate marketing. Even if promoting ClickBank, MaxWeb, or any other affiliate network out there, you have to pre-sell on your pre-sale page, right? So you're not sending traffic yet, no. You're not promoting the product, no. If you want 90% conversion rate and sales, you need to pre-sell 5 points. And the first point I will tell you, the secret, is pain and problem. Understand that, pre-sell that on the pre-sale page first. If you do it step by step correctly, and if you miss just 1 point out of 5, you're going to struggle to get results long term. I can tell you that. So, for example, if I have a program, like in this case, that's paying $500 to $2,000 per day commissions, what I do is understand pre-selling. Once I understand that, I can send traffic to my affiliate link every single day using Google Ads or Solo Ads to generate leads, right? And then convert them into simply sales. So very simple. Keep it always simple. I'm telling you, do not overcomplicate this stuff. You don't have to complicate that. Keep it stupid simple, right? So you can follow step by step along the way and get the results, but think outside of the box, outside of the norms, right? So that's very important. So we have free traffic, we have paid traffic. I always use Google Ads because of buyer's intent. And if you're a beginner, I would suggest you spend all the way from $5 to $25 per day on Google Ads. And I'm telling you, if you have high margins, for example, if you're promoting the product, let's say in this case for $1,000 per sale, right? You can afford to spend, let's say, $150 per day. In one day, $150 you spend on Google Ads, right? And even though you generate just one sale, you're already 800, right? In this case, $850 profit in one day, right? By spending $150 on Google Ads. In the other case, you're promoting, like let's say, ClickBank product. You're going to compete with people who can outspend you, right? If you promote, let's say, $70 pills, right? Weight loss pills on ClickBank, and you're spending $150 per day, you're going to lose money as a newbie. So you do need to have a program that's paying at least $200 to at least $1,000 commissions per day. So in that case, you can afford to spend more on Google Ads, right? You can afford to spend more money. You can even afford to spend $500 a day. And if you make back 1,000, you're $500 in profit, right? So it's still not bad. It's great, actually, right? So if you're watching this video, and if you want to know exactly step by step how to put this system together to work, right? So you can go step by step with me. First of all, get the program, join the program for affiliate, where you can promote the offers. And you can go out there and send traffic, buy media with Google Ads, and promote the system. Then what you can do after watching this video, right, is just connect with me one-on-one. All the links are below this video. Click the link below this video, subscribe to my channel, and get the help you need if you want to get results with high ticket affiliate marketing or promoting offers that's paying you huge commissions. So you can basically build up your marketing budget and go out and promote, even though you want or not want to, low ticket ClickBank products or any other affiliate, VIP affiliate networks out there. Let me know after watching this video. Just connect with me. If you have at least $500 to spend or $2,000 to spend, then let me know, right? So at least you need minimum $500 US to get started. Minimum. I'm talking minimum. If you want serious, long-term, sustainable results online, right? Then let me know after watching this video. Connect with me, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.